Hi, I'm Martin Lindsay from the Study and Learning Centre at RMIT University. This is a short movie on dividing fractions. Let's start by dividing two simple fractions, 4/3 divided by 2/5. We start by changing the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then we take the reciprocal of the 2/5, the last term. In other words, we flip the 2 over 5 upside down, which becomes 5 over 2. We then carry out the operation multiplying 4 over 3 by 5 over 2. And as you can see, the 2's cancel. 2's into 2 goes 1, 2's into 4 goes 2. Nothing else cancels, so we multiply out top and bottom, 10 over 3, and leave our answer as a mixed fraction. So the answer to this question is 3 1/3. Let's divide two mixed fractions, 2 1/4 divided by 1 1/5. Before we actually carry out the division, we must express our mixed fractions as improper fractions. So 2 1/4 is 9 over 4, divided by 1 1/5 is 6 over 5. Now we carry out our division by first of all changing the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then taking the reciprocal of 6 over 5, which becomes 5 over 6. From there we look to see if anything cancels, and as you can see, the 9 and the 6 will divide by 3. 3's into 6 goes 2, 3's into 9 goes 3. Nothing else cancels, so we multiply out the top line. 3 times 5 is 15. The bottom line, 4 times 2 is 8. That's an improper fraction, which must be converted into a mixed fraction, which is 1 7/8. So the answer to this mixed fraction question is 1 7/8. Occasionally you may see questions like this where there is a fraction divided by a whole number, and before you carry out the division problem you must express the whole number as a fraction. In other words, 3 over 4 divided by 6, which is 6 over 1. So you express the whole number as 6 over 1. Then we carry out the operation by changing the division sign to a multiplication sign and taking the reciprocal of 6 over 1, which is 1 over 6. Look again for terms that cancel. Here 3's going to 3 once, 3's going to 6 twice. Nothing else cancels. Multiply out the numerator, 1. The denominator, 4 times 2 is 8. So our answer to this question is 1 over 8. Now carry out some questions for yourself. The answers to these questions are on the next slide. Thank you for watching this short movie.